Good morning, Facebook peeps. This is Linda Powers, hopefully your favorite realtor. It is another gorgeous, gorgeous Thursday here on Florida's Space Coast. It is time for our virtual view property tour, and today I'm happy to be featuring one of my own listings. Just came on the market for rent. I believe that was on the 6th, which was Monday. It is a great, great property, you guys. It's got everything included. I am at 3508 Loggerhead Lane in Mims, which is in the Indian River Preserve community. That is a golfing community here in North Brevard County, just off of 46. And it's a great, great community, guys. This is 4 bedrooms, 2 baths with a 2-car garage. And it's got so many things that are included, like all of your expenses are included other than your food for this property. So I'm gonna get the camera turned around for you guys. Now I'm starting this one in the backyard just because I want to show you how huge this space is. This is a 0.37 of an acre lot here in this community. It is probably the largest lot, if not the largest, one of the largest lots here in Indian River Preserve. It is massive. So if you've got pets, the owners are considering pets for this rental with a non-refundable pet fee. They are considering dogs and cats. I believe they're limiting that to 2 animals though. So if you're looking for a rental that will consider pets, these owners are great people. They're animal lovers and they will consider that for you. So let's go inside. We're gonna come in the back door here. If you're not familiar with the Indian River Preserve community, these newer homes that are in here were built by D.R. Horton, and this particular model that we're in is the Cali Extended. So it's got 1,918 square feet. And this space here, where this dining area is what makes it your extended and pushes your porch out behind the house. On the regular one, you don't have that, and the porch is like right there. So great, great little home here. So as you can see, we've got tile floors all throughout the living space, and the bedrooms are the only areas that have the carpet. All the appliances that you see here are warranted and staying with the property. Just gonna walk through and show you the home. I'm gonna go back out to the front. There were some things going on out in the front yard, so it was a little bit noisy. That's why I started in the back too. So here we come in your front door. You've got a coat closet here. This is your nice entryway. You've got 2 bedrooms off to the side. 1 bedroom here, standard size closet, hall bathroom, and then another bedroom here. Standard closet right over there. Now I'm just gonna kind of do a quick walkthrough, guys. This is a rental, it's not a home that you're gonna buy, so you don't need to know every single detail super slow. But those things that are included are your basic lawn maintenance, your electricity, guys, your internet, your pest control, real estate taxes, sewer, trash pickup, and water are all included in the rent. As you can see, we've got a washer and dryer here. Those are going to be staying for the property for this rental, and they are warranted. So if something happens to them, the owners will get that repaired for you. 3rd guest room. So what's really, really cool about this house, guys, is that it's got solar panels on the roof. So that's how the owners are able to include the electricity in this $3,100 a month rental amount, because it's on solar. So whatever amount you use, it will be stored. And the reason it's able to be stored is because they have 3 battery powered boxes on the side of the house for electric vehicles. So it keeps a closed circuit from those solar panels, and that's how they're able to bank their power. So if you do have an electric vehicle, this is the outlet that you can plug into for that. A lot of people out there are going electric on their vehicles, and finding a rental that has that available to you is nearly impossible to find, but here in this property you do have that. So here's a quick view again of your kitchen space. You do have a nice sized pantry here. Now we're going to go over and I'm going to show you the primary suite. And if you do have little ones that you're concerned about what schools are going to be going to, this particular neighborhood is zoned for Pinewood Elementary, Madison Middle School, and Astronaut High School. The entire interior of the home was literally painted days ago, so it's fresh paint inside. It's been cleaned. It's ready to go for a new tenant. I'm going to briefly go over the rental requirements, and this is brokerage wide. So in order to rent from a property from our brokerage, you have to have at least a 600 minimum credit score. You cannot have any evictions on your record. You cannot have anything in collections that's utility related, and no felonies. So you've got to be able to pass a nationwide background check. Guys, a lot of people think, oh, they're only going to check Florida. That's not the case. We check nationwide. So if you have any evictions or anything like that, nationwide or bad background check, don't lie on your application, because we will have to decline your application. Now, your application fee is $60 per person or per married couple. Each additional person after that is $25. If they're 18 or older, they must be ran through the process. Now, as far as income requirements, you have to make 3 times the monthly rent in gross income to qualify for the property. All right, guys. This is a great little property. It's rented or available now for someone who's looking to move to the area. All utilities are included. Think about how much money that saves you if you do not have to put deposits down for utilities like the water department, the electric company, internet service. All those things are already set up for you, so you don't have to worry about getting it set up. It's maintained. All you really have to do is bring your stuff and move in, and you're ready to go. But that's really about it for this one. If you have any questions, reach out to me, 321-360-9859. You can comment on this message. Please do me a favor and share the video. It really does wonders. If we can get this property rented out as soon as possible and help my clients, that would be awesome. You guys have a great week. Stay safe, and I'll see you next week. Take care. Bye.